Hello everybody, this is Dave Prusi. Here we are, the first day of the K Show. We're really excited to be here and fire up this 8-day show. Ought to be a lot of fun. Today on the first day, we're excited to show a lot of new technologies. And as you know, the theme of the show, and certainly for WITTMANN Battenfeld, has to do with sustainability and the circular economy. One of the first products that we use that has a lot to do with recycling and sustainability is our granulators. We complement our granulators with products such as sprue pickers, robots, so we can feed sprues and scrap parts into granulators. Then we can use vacuum loaders and blenders to help make sure that we have the right regrind proportions to go back into the hopper of the molding machine. And that way we're able to have a zero waste product in our manufacturing solutions. So here we are in one of our most colorful machines on the show display, as you'll see. We've got some nice graphics on the machine here in front of us. And this is called the Zeroplast machine, where we formed a partnership that we want to show a really interesting technology on sustainability. We're actually producing some parts that you can see, some cosmetic cases, where we actually have zero plastic materials and also zero waste. Zero microplastics as well. So I'm going to introduce one of our colleagues that's going to help explain how is it that the Zeroplast is able to achieve a sustainability. Fritz, can you help us out with this?
Thank you, David. Of course. As we all know, timing is not the main thing, it's the only thing. And the timing for this innovation is perfect. Sustainability is one of the buzzwords these days. It's political pressure, like the European Union plastic strategy. We have the voluntary agreement of the consumer good industry, like the Allen MacArthur agreement. We have changing consumer attitudes towards sustainability. But on the other hand, sustainability is kind of boring. If I ask you, David, what about your relationship? How is it going? And you will tell me it's sustainable, I would have like a very bad idea of this situation. So what we want to do is we want to link sustainability with the motto of the WITTMANN Battenfeld show, which means enjoy, joy. And sustainability should be that this innovation will be a joy for our customers. It should help them to produce competitive products. So what we did is we further developed the basic material for injection molding processing, cost competitive, biocompatible, from renewable basic materials, and it's plastic free. It's a natural basic material. And we could only develop this with the help of WITTMANN Battenfeld, with the help of research institutes like Fraunhofer, like the Montana University Leoben, and the company called 𝗙cie Plastic, who is a major company, a very successful company in the injection molding with natural based material. So the USPs of this material are very clear. It's plastic free, it's cost competitive due to the injection molding processing, it's bio-based, it's renewable, and it's not in competition with any animal feed or food production.
Wow.
So what we deliver is a truly sustainable approach to all our clients and to the clients of WITTMANN Battenfeld.
Wow, that is really awesome, Fritz. Thank you for that explanation. I think we're going to have a lot of people want to come by our booth here to check out the technology of Zeroplast, and we're really excited to have you. Have a great day at the show, y'all. Thanks.